is the public sector, the administration. So, for example, if you want to create some, because we have a lot of communications with the public sector as well. But the problem there is different kind. You want to create something that can easily solve a lot of problems, that can easily take charge of documents, of management, of whatever you want. The problem is, as mentioned on the previous panel, the biggest problem currently is Montenegro is the level of cybersecurity. Public, private sector, even on the individual level. That's something that's a very big issue. We had the cyber attack like 2 years ago. That's nothing compared to, like, we are still exposed. The main problem in Montenegro and in other countries as well, we need to have the same level of security as I said, as US, UK, EU, and just like check how much they invest in that and how much we can invest. So there comes the problem. So if we are speaking in terms of the private sector, yeah, you can do basically most of the things, not everything. For example, you mentioned the cameras for detection of the face detection and everything. By our law, we cannot do that. But imagine how much that would solve like traffic problems and issues. And it can be easily implemented. We have already the cameras in the city. You cannot just use them in that way, which is, by my opinion, something that we should change in terms of law. So as I said, in private sector, yes. In public sector, there are a lot of obstacles, and I'm not sure that we will be ready even in 1 year. Why? When you make some change to a law, it takes time. And the problem with AI is just check where was just basic ChatGPT 1 year ago, where is it now? And where it will be in 2 years. So you can change all the laws, then something new comes and then you cannot use it. AI is a tool. So it's a tool, you are learning to use that tool. Depending how you are using that tool, it changes what you do with it. So for example, we are using currently we are in this topic for more than 5 years. Back then it was like just machine learning and taking data from machine learning. Now that's enhanced with everything that's going on in the world, and now we have something that's like a lot of steps ahead. So for example, you can use that now in the gaming industry to create the personalities of the characters, which is funny. So that guy in Counter-Strike that you used to rescue, it's not like a statue anymore. He has a life, he has a job and stuff like that.
A purpose.
Yeah, so in plain words, it changes the user experience. It gives a lot of opportunities in scenarios and etc. In other terms, where we are using AI is in terms of, I don't know, file management, like data management and everything, and it's a helpful tool. So these are the good things that AI is used for, and that we currently, like I would say, have the benefits for. So, like, long story short, I see it as a tool which we can use to help us in business and in other areas.